Biyahe kasama si DJ Lala, aarangkada na.
At syempre, my love, eto na nga tayo sa ating Byahe Sender of the Night. This one was sent to us over sa ating Facebook page, DJ Lala Banderas. My love, eto po ang biyahe ng buhay ni Sel. Hi DJ Lala, ito po ang problema ko. Halos nawawala na po kasi ako ng oras nawawala na po kasi ng oras sa aming mag-ina ang mister ko. Lagi na po siyang late na umuuwi galing sa trabaho. Tapos pag uwi niya, halos di niya malaro yung anak namin. At nararamdaman ko na din na malaki na po talaga yung pinagbago niya simula nang magkaanak kami. Kasi hindi naman po siya dating ganyan eh. Sana po ay matulungan niyo po ako at kung ano po ang pwede kong gawin. Salamat po and God bless. Well, hi Sel, hindi na ako magpapaligoy-ligoy pa. My love, I believe kasi if yung babae sa-suffer minsan sa postpartum, kung tawagin, di ba, na syndrome, yung us feeling the difference in our body, difference in our cycle, or our type of lifestyle kapag nagkaanak tayo, some people do not give that much credit sa mga ama, sa mga first-time dads. O diba? Syempre, it's not only that they are now changing their whole lifestyle. They are now responsible for yet another life. What I'm trying to say is, my love, you have to give your husband quite the benefit of the doubt. Though naiintindihan ko, you miss those times na, alam mo yun, na may oras siya sa'yo, nabibigyan ka niya ng attention, na whenever you want someone, his responsibility is solely to make you happy, to make you feel satisfied, secured in a relationship. But now kasi, nagdo-dawn upon him na din yung responsibilities of being a dad. And all the other things that comes along with it. Necessity now becomes a priority. What am I trying to say, my love? Syempre, yung putting food on the table, paying the bills, making your lives a bit more, sabihin na natin, more comfortable than the current one you're living. Syempre, gusto niya kayong bigyan ng magandang future. Gusto niyang bigyan yung anak mo ng magandang future. Alam naman natin, education is not that cheap. It's actually quite expensive. So there are a lot of things that he needs to prepare himself for. And minsan, they don't know how to relax, how to let it all out. They just feel tired. They just feel consumed by the goal, by the work, by their responsibilities. It's quite a heavy load din kasi talaga, my love. So, instead of doubting what he feels for you and for the child, instead of questioning siguro kung mahal niya ba talaga yung bata, kung mahal ka niya pa ba talaga, kung bakit wala na siyang oras sa iyo, baka meron na siyang iba, instead of jumping into that conclusion agad-agad, my love, I want you to look at your husband. Just see him for how he is. Ang tao naman kapag pagod, kita mo sa mata eh, di ba? Kita mo sa bagsak ng katawan, kita mo sa yabag ng paa, kung hinihila ba yan or nabubuhat niya pa. Sometimes, there's no other reason than tired lang talaga siya. Pagod lang talaga siya. So, I understand. As a mother na laging nasa bahay at nag-aasikaso ng anak, I'm sure you're tired as well. Naiintindihan ko yon. But aside from being a mother kasi, you are also a wife. Partner ka niya in life. So instead of judging him, jumping into conclusions na wala na siyang time sa'yo and all that jazz, or expecting the worst from that situation, try to deliver a solution that can change the atmosphere a bit. Like for example, if early mo namang naput to bed yung bata, dumating siya sa bahay, offer a massage. Sa paa, sa likod, yung ganon, just make him feel relaxed. Make him feel that that is a home. Na he can feel rested kapag andyan siya sa bahay. Kasi kung sisisihin pa natin siya, kung siya ay nagtatrabaho naman talaga para sa inyong dalawa, you will make that home feel like just a sleeping place. Naintindihan mo ako? It won't make him feel at home again. Kasi kine-question mo even yung time niya magpahinga. Naintindihan mo ko? I hope you get me, my love. I'm not trying to be biased na dahil siya yung nagtatrabaho, he needs to be understood more. It's just that gusto kong masanay tayo, lalong-lalo na kung may partner tayo, may taong mahal na mahal natin na kasama natin at katuwang sa buhay. I want you to stop that mentality of expecting the worst from them when things have changed. Kapag merong mga nagbabago, stop expecting the worst. Stop assuming na may ibang pangit na rason. Sometimes, my love, a cigar is just a cigar. Wala siyang meaning. O diba? A blank paper is just a blank paper. Wala siyang meaning. Just like in this situation, minsan, kaya siya pagod kasi, my love, pagod lang siya. Physically. He doesn't have to be tired mentally and emotionally as well. Naintindihan mo ko, my love? So, try your best in order to address itong current observations na meron ka, however valid they may be, by trying to be more of a partner than to be a mother. I'm not saying na yung pagiging nanay mo pa yung hadlang sa pagiging partner mo or pagiging good wife mo. It's just that when you have a family, you are all sort of roles here. Ikaw ay all sort of roles. Ikaw ay nanay, ikaw ay asawa, ikaw ay partner, ikaw ay financer, secretary, treasurer. Ikaw yung nagiging ganyan sa lahat eh. That is just a typical form of how a family should be. So itong mga changes na both of you guys are just being overwhelmed by it. So don't read into it that much. Wag kang mag-assume ng worst sa situations. Sometimes a little tap on the back, a little massage, a little hug kapag umuwi siya, knowing that he is tired, will make him remember as to why it feels good to be home. Make him remember na that is his home. And you guys will make him feel safe, make him feel rested, and motivated in life. It takes two, my love, to build a family. And you guys have one. So act like one. Claro? Claro.